Oobleck as an indestructible fluid. In this experiment, I will briefly explain the non-Newtonian mechanics. Materials needed: 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of cornstarch, mixing bowl, and stirrer. Procedure: in a mixing bowl, pour 1 cup of cornstarch and add 1/2 cup of water and stir. When you apply force to the oobleck, it becomes a solid. In fact, you can even break your hand doing this experiment. But when you slowly or lightly move your hand or your finger, it turns liquid, and your hand or finger gets soaked. You will feel that it is liquid. Newton described that normal fluids have a constant flow or viscosity. The oobleck changes the liquid flow because of the pressure or force is applied. If the flow or viscosity does not change with the pressure or force, it is called a Newtonian fluid. On the other hand, if the flow or viscosity changes as pressure or force changes, it is a non-Newtonian fluid. Non-Newtonian fluids flow differently when under pressure or stress. If you applied force and hit the oobleck, then sudden pressure causes the fluid to thicken and act like a solid. But when you release the force or pressure and move your hand or finger slowly, it turns back to the original state, which is liquid. Oobleck is indestructible because it is not a typical liquid or solid. It changes its state of matter depending on the pressure or force applied.